guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this bob haircut on Dress to Impress. Not the one I'm using right now, I'm just going to remove it first. So we are going to search for this hair here, this one. I'm just going to color mine black. You can obviously color whatever color you want. And only bangs. And then for this one, position the Z at 0.47. And then we are going to scale it to 0.38. Then we're going to go to bangs here and we're going to also get these. I'm just going to color them black. For this one, position the Y at 0.24 and the Z to 0.89. Then we're going to scale it up to a 1. Then we're going to grab this short hair here. Where is it? Hold on. Oh, this one. We're going to color it black and we're going to scale it to just 0.51. Lastly, we're going to get this hairstyle in all black in the bangs only toggle. Oops. And then for this one, position the Y at 0.35. The Z at 0.81. And then for the rotation, the X at 0.97. And scale it all the way to a 1. And there you have it, a bob in Dress to Impress. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!